me, Casper, Sasquatch, we're back to the abandoned sawmill. We had some footage earlier of our last thing. We're going to show it right now.
Oh, what happened?
You know, we didn't get to go all the way there because battery, everything acted up. We heard something really spooky, so now we came back. We got, you know, just little stuff because we're drama queens, and it's a lot darker and it's a lot windy, so we can't hear nothing. So, all right, we're gonna cut the video off, on and off, because we're gonna conserve on battery. Even the lights and stuff that was here last time, it's not even on. All right, cheers. Just in case we don't make it out. And this would be just our last thing. We're not chugging them because we'd like to walk. It's all right.
But I want to drink it.
Oh, you want to drink it all?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you can keep it. You want to drink yours?
What am I going to do with it? There's no trash cans out there.
Hold it until we get done. Actually, that one's a lot better than the other one.
That was a whole lot better. This might not be a dark beer.
All right, let's go.
No, that's a light beer.
Hurry up.
Good. You keep recording?
We're going to take another sip.
Alright, I'm done.
You drank it all?
Yeah. I thought it was a trash can out there.
Are you drinking all yours? Okay, well, I guess since everybody's drinking all theirs.
That was really, I liked that. That was good, wasn't it? You didn't like that? I liked it.
Nah. This is, I know what beer this is.
I like it. I might switch. I well, no, because I don't drink that much anymore. I try not to drink anymore at all. But then, people like Mom's husband who's like,
all right, we're back to the same dilemma. There's water over the freaking road. And what we was just talking about is, since it's so dark, I was showing them the open area. It's going to be a lot different. It's going to be like a video game, because when we get into that congested forest, a lot of video games, their tactic is to have you in tight spaces like Resident Evil, Dead Space, and all that. You're in buildings, you gotta look around the corner. That's what we're gonna be experiencing out in this woods. Not cold, my ass. It didn't feel cold in my hand.
I could do that while I recording. Yeah. Yeah, you can come on across. I mean, we all waiting on you. Look at that. He's gotta go across the water.
Yeah. You tired?
a little bit.
Well, look, we made it 1 mile and a quarter, as the Casper expert says. So we got 3/4 of a mile left before we get there. But we saw something over here that we want to go have some fun on. You think we need a light? I don't know. Do you think we can even get that? Oh, that looks crazy. And then I dropped the camera.
I want to see.
Go stick your head out to the other side. There's the bridge and everything. Alright, I just wanted to show y'all how condensed this is. We might turn it off, but also a reason that we wanted to turn this camera back on is because almost to the point where we heard something really creepy last time.
TV's hiking only.
Oh, dude. I'll let y'all know. Yeah. Cats don't leave claw marks. They leave toe marks, but
Alright, I'm not going to.
I mean, if you want.
I ain't got good balance. Do not fall.
That started bowing. Dude, that's pretty far.
What, over fall?
I got balls. You bitches.
This?
Alright. We've come to a conundrum. This way, it just shows no sign. This way, no sign. So what we're gonna do, gang, is we're gonna split up. Fred, you go that way. Me and Daphne will go this way. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
That's yourself.
So what? I like it. When the thing came out of the water, I just remember. That sucks.
Messed up, ain't it?
Yeah, it would probably say one of the other ways. So let's go the path at least more.
What, is there anything behind it, maybe? Oh, it's just, there was a hope there.
Let's turn the lighting to a different one. Alright. So,
You go.
we finally got to the freaking place. And the reason I'm talking louder is because if there's any animals inside, I don't want them to be surprised.
I got my hand on my machete like it's a gun.
Dude, this is crazy.
Like I'm a cop. It's easy.
I'm intimidated walking in here. Dude, this thing is freaking huge.
We hate your hate.
Look at that dragon. Cool. I dream of a place. You hear it echoing?
Look at that hole in the mountain.
Oh, okay. Hey, here's a picture of my good friend. I look like Casper. You see my good friend? You know, he's exorcising puke out. Here, y'all stay right here.
Is this it?
Butter. Where? Oh, I thought you saw a drawing.
There's been a lot of people here.
Oh, dude, what is that?
Yeah, that looks cool.
Y'all smell it? Smells like death.
You smell something?
Thought I got a whiff of something that smelled dead.
That's creepy.
What, that hole right there?
Yeah, look in it.
Holy cow.
Dude, that is. How do you get in there? Is that the only way to get in there?
Beer can.
Oh, he flew like.
Probably blind with it.
He's like, where the hell am I?
This is cool, guys.
Yeah, no, it's kind of worth the journey. What's in there?
Little burrow right there.
No, it's.
This is where they put the logs in and rode them in, I bet you.
Yeah, right here.
Somebody actually brought beer out here.
Oh, these are this way.
Welcome to hell, motherfucker.
The eyeball was creepy to me.
Oh, over there watching us? Now, wait, you gotta bring the camera over. We gotta do a shout out
Look on
to
the
the
screen.
person who did this eye. Looks like shit. From far off, it looks pretty good. Here.
Oh, yeah.
That's crazy. You getting some good footage there, my friend?
Perfection.
Ooh, that's probably what you were smelling, dude.
Why would?
Hey. Here, do it. How's it go?
Hey, look.
Did you see Austin come through here?
Oh, I see you. You look on the camera, you see your belly sticking out.
Oh, thanks.
Sort of. Son, dude, that's a Canadian.
Maple leaf. Whoever was trying to make this, y'all suck, because that's not weed. Learn your thing. It's got to have like 9 or 8.
No, it's 5.
5?
I think. No. Maybe we should Google it.
Nah. Fasaki. What kind of name is that? Hey, Fasaki.
Alright, left one more.
Where? Right there?
Yeah. No.
I was about to say, who's...
Get over here, and you gotta parkour.
Nah, you gotta do it like
Jump out.
No, you gotta do it like this. Parkour.
Oh, I broke my ankle. Parkour. Shane even tried. Oh, just that's why
I am
you tried.
okay. Alright, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna act like I disappeared, but I'm just gonna wait right here. Oh, there's here. Oh, whoa. Stand back over here.
Huh?
They should have carnival games like this. This should be more interesting. You know, actually skill. I didn't hear it.
Went through another window.
And, you know, there was a ghoul coming up. He's like, what is those guys? Oh, look.
Dude, if it did, it didn't hit. You didn't hear it hit the wall.
Bounced off the edge. One time. I actually do think now, looking at it from this angle, it might have went on top.
It went over top.
No, it went in the hole.
It did?
Yeah.
Oh,
I didn't catch it going in, but I saw it.
it went in the hole. Hey, need Taco Bell.
Eat Taco Bell.
Taco Bell.
Yum.
I mean, come on, y'all are some critics here. Learn what I eat. Taco Bell. That's all I eat, Taco Bell. Y'all should pick me up and have us some commercials. Taco Bell. Remember that. I have a ton of ideas. Taco Bell, pick us up. Right here, click this, subscribe to our stuff. If you want to see more of this stupid stuff that we're doing, just subscribe. Over here is probably some video that I'm going to put right here. It's going to be about, I don't know, about this big. Now, if y'all like it, you want to see, you got to click it and I'm going to hit it. So you click it and I hit it.
Wait. So what do?
You click it and we both hit it.
We hit it.
And we hit it and you go to that other channel.